Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to send personal messages on Quora. For this guys, you just need to open up your Quora application as I have already opened this. For this guys, you just need to choose the user as I'm sending the message privately to him. Just click on that profile. Now guys, over here you just need to click on ask button. Now over here you just need to enter the message, and once you click on add button, this message will be sent to that person privately. This much for today's video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe our channel and press that bell icon for the latest video, and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.